My name is Tiffany Faddis, and I'm one of the senior litigation trial lawyers here at Farah Farah. I've been practicing law. It will be 23 years in April. I handle nothing but litigation that includes personal injury and wrongful death cases. The area of law that I practice is primarily in personal injury, and personal injury involves all kinds of different kinds of accidents, for auto accidents, slip and falls. But I mostly focus on auto accidents when my clients are unfortunately involved in car accidents and they sustain injuries. That requires treatment. It requires legal guidance through the process, dealing with the insurance companies. And that's what I primarily focus on, is taking the case a step further. And that involves litigation. My reputation here in the Central Florida area and all over Florida is that I am a trial lawyer. The insurance companies know my reputation, that I will do everything it takes to get the best result for the client through the litigation process. And if we're not able to get them to resolve the case for what we think is fair, reasonable, then I go and try the case for the client in front of a jury. I have two older brothers, Terry and Troy. And when Troy was 18, he was involved in a really catastrophic car accident. It debilitated him. He was in a coma for 4 months. But while that was going on, I saw my mother champion for him in every way possible to make sure that he got the best care, to rehabilitate him. She fought against the insurance companies. I saw her do it every moment, every step of the way. That motivated me to focus on personal injury and be an advocate for individuals who have been wronged by somebody else's negligence, and be their voice. And so that's why I got involved in personal injury. The most important thing that I do to help my clients through the process is to be there when they need somebody through the litigation process, and to make sure that they know that we're just one phone call or email away if they need anything. And so my job is to, again, be their zealous advocate, get through the litigation process where it doesn't make it difficult on them so that they can focus on getting better. And so that is one of the things that is super important as a litigator, that we're constantly making sure that we're their voice through that litigation process. What I love most about working at Farah Farah is teamwork. At the Farah firm, everybody works as a team, and it's wonderful. Nobody's working against each other. We have the same mission and the same goal, and that is to give the best representation that we can to our clients, to make sure that our clients are able to resolve their cases successfully and amicably with the other side. And so that's one thing about this firm that I absolutely love. Annie and Chuck and all of the attorneys, everybody works as a team. It only helps make us better lawyers, and it helps us, be the best lawyers we can for our clients.